Hey, what's up everybody? Did you know that 96,000 people move to Las Vegas every single year? The question is why? Well, due to the Fed's interest rate hikes have increased the cost of living for many Americans across the country. Americans are now looking to relocate to Las Vegas because of no state income tax, low unemployment, low cost of living, and affordability for housing. We're also the entertainment capital of the world. So if you are thinking about relocating to Las Vegas, we would like to offer you a free Southern Nevada market report and a relocation guide. All you have to do is click on that link below to claim yours today. All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. I am a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today we are here in the city of Henderson in this beautiful master plan community of Inspriada. So today we are in a neighborhood called Highveiw, and the builder here is actually Tri-Point. And you may have seen these videos in the past of these models here. And this is pretty much one of their #1 sellers are these beautiful townhomes. So there's actually 4 models here, as you can see. At the end, we have Plan 2, Plan 1, and Plan 3. Now, they have another one as well. What is that? 1, 2, 3, Plan 4. Now, to give you an idea, okay, Plans 2 and Plan 1, which is the Plan 2X here in the Plan 1, these will always be in the center. The 3 and the 4s will always be at the end cap, so just keep that in mind. They also have one for Plans 1, Plans 2, and 2X that has a 3-story, believe it or not, okay? Now, there's 3 different elevations, okay? So today we're going to be exploring this one here at the end, which is the sales office. We're going to start off with this. Show you guys around the neighborhood real quick as well. Here's the front door. All the lumber here is ready to go. Really nice neighborhood. Now, HOAs are going to run you $186 a month. Now, this is in the master plan community of Inspriada, but it's not a part of Inspriada because Tri-Point had bought out the land, so that's why the HOA is a little bit higher here. They have their own community. So we're going to go inside. And this is actually the 2-car garage, but we're going to zip through this way here. Take you guys to the front door. So this would actually just be a door. This is just the garage. Comes to the front. Okay, this is locked, but you guys already know what it looks like. Okay, so we're going to start off on this side. We do have some people here. As a courtesy, we're going to head on upstairs first for privacy purposes. So it looks like we have a couple steps.
Because it's a townhome. So.
And coming back around. Now, they do have a couple of spec home builds too as well. I think they have about 4 or 5.
Well, I don't know what the other ones are looking like. Maybe they have
Bedroom here. Let's take a look at this one. Got 8-foot ceilings. So this is the primary. Very wide door here, 36 inches. Well, actually 48 on here. Take a look at the bathroom. Excuse me. Oh my gosh, I apologize. I like the fact that they did a full wall mirror here. It gives the appearance for this bathroom to look a lot larger. Decent sized tub. Here you still have the options to do some upgrades. The incentives right now, at the time of shooting this video, they're offering 3% if you use their lenders. However, with the quick move-ins, attic access, you can get an additional 2%. Now, should you decide to spec out this yourself and build, the average consumer is spending probably roughly about $30,000 to $50,000. Excuse me, ma'am. We got a thermostat here, and then looks like we have our return line there. Excuse me. Oh, I'm going this way.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. See what we got down here. We got the 2 bedrooms. Matter of fact, let's just go down here. So this is a bedroom. However, they made this into an office. This is interesting. Definitely, there's a lot of upgrades to this model. A little larger in this bedroom for sure. Got the 4-can lighting. Take a look at this walk-in closet. Oh, decent size for the walk-in closet, that's for sure. Oh, a little bit unique in the bathroom here. 12 by 24 on the tile, 36 on the cabinet height. Your walk-in shower. Okay, not bad. Matter of fact, we got a property like this coming up on the market in the next couple of months. Same floor plan. You got extra cabinets here. Wash and dry, front loaded. Great idea with the extra shelves here. Here you had the option to do the banister all the way around. Now let's go take a look at the kitchen area, main living area. Oh wow, look at this. This is gorgeous. Love that. Very custom. Upgraded with the cafe appliances, Blanca sink, traditional quartz that everybody uses. Here, look how high the ceilings are on this one. They're like 12-foot ceilings. So it looks like they took the subfloors up to 12 feet, but then you're losing space on the second floor, this is kind of interesting, but I do like this at the same time. Very elegant. Love this style. Not too sure what you call this as far as like the style wise. If you are an interior designer, let me know in the comments below. Pretty creative, just wallpapering the bottom of the island here. Love the additional storage space, sconce lighting. So this would just be your pantry. So this would go into your 2-car garage. That means that one wall is probably blocked. Okay. Yeah, so I'm thinking this right here is blocked off. This is just probably a wall right here. additional storage. So we have a transformer right there. So what that means is it switches down to 24 volts. Let's take a look here. What do we have? Oh, nice little backyard. It's actually cute. I don't know if this is supposed to be all open like here. Do you guys prefer a wall or a view fencing? As far as like privacy wise, the wall is great, but I actually kind of like this view fencing, which is, I don't think it's included. I think a wall is actually going to go here for now. This really opens everything up. We've got 2 air conditioning units, but this is interesting. We have a gas line here with the AC unit right here. That's a Bryant, and this is another AC unit as well. Now, just to share something with you, if you guys don't know what this is actually called a disconnect. Okay, this is actually the whip, the 220 that sends the main power to the condenser here. Okay, if you have to shut off your condenser but you want to still keep your unit on, like the fan, you could pull this out right here, your fuse. Okay, well, there's actually fuses in there, but that's your disconnect. I'm really liking this one. Alright guys, let me know what your thoughts are about this property. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also visit lvhomeexperts.com. I will also have a link in the description of the video for all new homes as well, so check that on out. Other than that, I wish you guys nothing but the best, and be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.